Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll in order to find either the Google section or the passwords and accounts. It's totally up to you which section you prefer. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and now let's tap on add account under accounts for owner or of owner. Then let's tap on the Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. In this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so either you or your child. So just mark the option and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.